done is done.
And people ask me why I don't like Apple. Well, there you have the reason. They do things, bad things. I also hate Android phone makers which copy Apple, but I hate Apple more because they do it first. Just like we say that we hate corruption, but we hate more the first guy ever to do corruption. So Apple, please please don't set the wrong industry standards. Now let's go in depth. According to new reports from Korea, Samsung is planning not to provide inbox accessories with the Galaxy S21 series. So this includes all three Galaxy S21 phones with no inbox accessories. So just like Apple, the Galaxy S21 series could very well arrive with just a USB cable, SIM ejector tool, the needed paperwork and the smartphone. This will give fuel to the fire of anti-customer behavior, and I completely agree. How much of a Samsung fanboy I might be? I hate Samsung's decision to remove the inbox accessories, and there is actually some precedent of this behavior in Samsung's past. The Galaxy Note 20 series removed the AKG earphones in America, and they also removed the inbox Galaxy Buds and even the wired headphones from the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Samsung will undoubtedly also put the removal of the charger and earphones on towards the saving of environment, which is a good thing. I do care about the environment, but I think there are much bigger threats to environment than having a freaking charger. I mean, come on, for God's sake, if Apple really cared about environment, they would have USB-C by now. More than saving environment, these companies care about saving more money. The only go green moment they sport is the green paper called money. I had an idea that Samsung will eventually one day kill the inbox stuff, but I did not think that they would be the first one to copy Apple, because they were one of the last ones keeping headphone jack alive. And when Apple announced the iPhone, Samsung did make fun of not having charger. So yeah, that tweet aged like a snowman in the summer. And would Samsung reduce the price for the missing accessories? Only time will tell. Personally, I think that the AKG earphones are almost guaranteed dead. However, we might still get the inbox charger one last time, but in the Note 21, I think it's probably sure that we will only be getting the phone and the cable. Hopefully this report is wrong. Hopefully I am providing you guys wrong information. But damn Apple, why can't you just stay put? Why do you have to crap on everything we love? There might be option to get the charger by talking to Samsung customer support, and they might still provide you the charger for free like what they did with the Note 20 in USA. There were no inbox AKG earphones, but there was an option to get them for free if you contacted Samsung support, but not everyone will know or bother with that. Let me know guys your thoughts about this decision from Samsung. I hate it. Hate it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you found this informative. Follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks for watching.